This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by heather.bass. Welcome home. This 3-bedroom 2-bath brick ranch is nestled on a quiet street in the back of established Hatton Point. This fabulous home features replacement windows, freshly painted inside and out, new carpet, sealed crawl space and much more. Just a short distance to hospitals, military bases, tunnels, and interstates, this home is great for any commute. Large fenced yard with above-ground pool and patio are great for entertaining. For more information, review the details below or contact heather.bass at 757-488-4600.